Hey guys, Steven Vanderpyle here, and it has been a while since I've done a video. I realized I'm just chilling here. It's like 3 a.m. Friday, Medellin. I'm in Colombia right now. I used to do like a new video every time I go to a new city, but this time it's taken a little while. Like I've been here for a while, but it's been crazy busy days. Business and Medellin is a lot of fun as well. But today I just wanted to talk to you guys about investing. So, as an entrepreneur, you are an investor as well. It doesn't matter if you put your money in stocks or crypto, for example, or just your own business. You are invested in your own business or other stuff. So, if you start out a business, when you're just starting out, a lot of people say, be careful, don't put all your eggs in one basket. I say bullshit. So if you are just starting out, you have to put all your eggs in one basket and go for it. Don't invest in anything else. Go for that one thing and put all your effort into it and don't give up. I think that's the most important thing. However, when you get to a certain point where you're at maybe like a little bit of 80,000 per year and up, you have to start investing in other things as well. So we as a company for KV Social, Neil and we invest in crypto. I invest personally in crypto as well. Neil just started in crypto personally as well. But we also invest in some other companies, just small investment though. But we do definitely do that just to kind of have our hands in different pots, which solidifies the future for the company. It just creates a fundamentation for the company to grow on and have some fallbacks as well. So talking about investments and cryptos, like I've been trading, I've been running an own bot as well, based on some advice from friends. And I also just wanted to quickly touch upon what's happening with China right now. So if you follow cryptos, there's been a huge correction, manipulation, whatever you want to call it, just the last few days in the crypto space. And I just want to, like, everybody's like, oh, China this, China's bad, China that. However, there's a huge lesson in this, and I just wanted to share that with you guys and see what you think about it as well. Like, so whenever you want to control something, how do you best control something? Even persons, if you want to, obviously this is, you shouldn't be doing this, but like if you want to control people, how do you do that best? First, break them down, break it down, then rebuild it, and then you have your control. That's what, like, China is giving the world a master class on how to control a free decentralized market. I still believe in it though, don't get me wrong. However, that's what China's after. That's what they're after. So they're breaking it down right now. Everybody say they're banning crypto, they're not banning crypto, guys. They're they're taking control. They're taking control in their country at least. Not from for the whole network, of course, because it is decentralized. So they would never have complete and control, but they're getting close though because there's a lot of miners in China. Cryptocurrency is super important for China. China is pro crypto. However, what they're doing right now is just cleaning the slate and then slowly rebuilding it with their rules. So making sure they're in control, they are profiting a lot of from it. So just think about that, how that works there. Because right now there's also some political stuff going on. The president's getting re-elected. The 18th of October, actually, it's not really an election. It's China after all, but there's some politics playing there as well. But I'm pretty sure that after the 18th, it might take a few weeks. Obviously, it's politics, so it's never really very fast. But China can move pretty fast still. They are gonna announce new regulations, and they will allow cryptos again. They will start allowing the exchanges again, and from there it's gonna moon, and they are gonna make so much money. So I'm not here to tell you invest in crypto. Like some other people say, there might be other ways to make better money. Like Alexander Becker, always, like, he's with his PPC, all his focus goes there. That's perfect, you know. But definitely do diversify a little bit as well. And cryptos is a huge opportunity right now, but you have to put some time in it. Be careful; it's kind of a time sucker as well. but it's definitely a good potential for a high reward as well, but it comes with high risks as well, obviously. So never put in any money you can't lose, very important. And once you buy coins and the price crashes, you don't lose your coins, just hodl. Hodl. So whenever whatever happens, you can trade back. You can protect the downside a little bit. So like even when it falls, just sell. It's falling further, and then buy back. Then you have more coins when it goes back up. Stuff like strategies like that. But that's just something. If you want to go for that, you have to look into it. It's super fun. It's interesting. Like it is gonna change the world for sure. The blockchain technology is revolutionary. People that say it's a bubble or people say it's a fraud, idiot. That's just all fucking bullshit. It is based on something. It's based on revolutionary technology. You have proof of stake, proof of work, proof of time, Haley, and there's a lot of other concepts. So many concepts won't make it. Obviously, a lot of altcoins. If there was somebody who plotted a graph with all the altcoins against the major ones, and basically over time, over a long time, basically their whole existence, most of them go down. So altcoins, be careful with that. There are some altcoins that have potential, but think about it, like 95% of the altcoins go down, but they're really great for trading though. But you have to put time in it, and you have to learn a little bit about trading and stuff like that. I've never really had any interest in trading whatsoever, but I do have a lot of interest in the technology of the blockchain, obviously. And I really got into technical analysis and swing trading, a little bit of day trading as well. And I've been spending quite a bit of time the last 2 months, and I've acquired a new skill, which is really nice as well. I've learned to read like graphs quite well, and obviously I'm not always right whatsoever. I'm still a beginner in that sense, but I'm getting somewhere, and I like doing it. And well, we have invested in with the company as well. We hodl more there than actually investing for myself. I do a little bit of more playing around, but it's definitely a super big opportunity, a super interesting market. And just try to look at the big picture, right? Like the example I gave you with China. And well, for the last, I'll just give, if you're still watching this, it's 7 minutes already, I see. So last tip, NEO, super cheap right now. Well, it's actually going really fast right now. So if you still want to get in now, ride the wave until about 5 days before the 16th. Get out, no matter if it's still going up, like 4 days max, and then get out, because the 16th another 50 million coins get into the market. So the price is going to drop significantly, maybe even half. And then by the 18th, the president gets re-elected. NEO is one of the babies of China, you could say. They're definitely good. It's like the Ethereum of China, what they say, and they have good connections with the government, as far as I can tell. This is just like reading up and looking between the lines and stuff like that. But I think like after the 18th, the president will start announcing the new regulations and start condoning Bitcoin, NEO, and just every crypto basically again slowly. And like I said, it could take a few weeks maybe after. But when that happens, NEO is definitely gonna just right there. So basically, buy right now while it's still ride the wave up until a few days before the 16th. Sell off. Wait until the good news again. Buy right at that news messages basically, and ride it up. Right, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching and for your time. I'll talk to you another time.